Hey everyone, this is Anna and I wanted to share with you a tutorial on how to make this card, but also I wanted to show you how you could get this super cute stamp for free. Yeah, that's right. Today only you could get this stamp for free exclusively at scrapbook.com. So make sure to follow my link provided so you could get it for free. So I am in love with this little stamp. As you know, Art Impressions always gives you amazing quality on your stamp, so you know you will have a great image. And the size of this stamp is perfect for an A2 size card, so I'm really looking forward to playing with it. So here you see me conditioning the stamp just by rubbing it a little bit since it's brand new. I'm using Nuvo Hybrid Black ink, and I'm just using Nina cardstock. And look how cute this image is. So today I will be coloring with color pencils and also blending it with baby oil. I don't know if you knew this, but you can blend color pencils using this little paper stump. It's such a fun way to color and it's pretty easy to do too. So here I'm just adding blue because I wanted to make it look like water, but of course you can use any other color to make it look like punch or soda or tea, whatever color you wish. And in the next few minutes I'm just adding color to the images. This is a fun part. You can make the image to look however you want. In this case I decided that the bunny will be a brown bunny, and you can see that I added a little bit of strokes first with the color to make it look more like fur. And a little later down the video, you will see that I add another layer of a different type of brown just because I thought that the bunny needed a little bit more color. After I'm done coloring, then I fussy cut with my scissors. And I cut pretty close to the line of the image, but of course, you can always leave a little white space if that's your preference. So these are the layers that I will use to create my card. And I wanted to leave a black space in between the layers. Right here I'm creating a little bit of something to make it look like sand so the bunny can be standing on, so he's not just floating around on the card. And that's just craft paper and I kind of just rip it by hand. Now I am just adhering all these layers together. I'm using liquid glue. This is art glitter glue, one of my favorite glues. And originally I was going to do a large mat for that back piece, but I decided to cut it down because I wanted it to be more focused on the bunny than the background. And then that I adhere on another piece of black cardstock and just cut it around so it could have a nice little mat. One trick for whenever I have images that have little areas in between like that one is just coloring the empty space close to what the background is, and that will take care of that empty space. You saw that I added some black marker around the image. That's just to give it a little bit more of a finished look. Here I am adding the shadow of the bunny, and I'm just using a color similar to the background and just kind of making out the shape of the bunny and just kind of figuring out what will be hanging from the cup that would give a shadow on the ground. After I do that, I just put the final piece and my card is finished. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and that you like the card. And don't forget to follow the link to scrapbook.com so you can get your stamp set for free today only.